In this video, I'm checking out a device that will add Bluetooth capabilities to some of the devices around your home. Hey YouTubers, Christopher here, and on this channel I make weekly gadget and tech reviews, so if you are new here, definitely consider subscribing. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And hey, if you'd like to know more about anything I mentioned in the video, I'll leave a link in the description below. So this is the Nulaxy BR18 wireless transmitter and receiver, or transceiver, and huge thanks to Nulaxy for sending this out for me to review. The Nulaxy BR18 wireless transceiver is a gadget that you can plug into devices around your home to give them Bluetooth capabilities. It works with things like your speakers, your wired earphones, your computer, or even your TV. It's fantastic for listening to music with any wired earphones or speakers. It's also great for watching your favorite TV shows with Bluetooth headphones on, so you don't disturb your spouse or your kids while they're sleeping. You can even connect two pairs of Bluetooth headphones at once, which is awesome if you want to share your music with your friends. Or you can connect two Bluetooth speakers at once, which is great for getting that stereo sound. It sells on Amazon for $29.99 US, or $39.99 Canadian at the time of filming. Inside the box you get everything you need to get connected. You get the BR18 wireless transceiver itself, a user manual, a micro USB cable for charging, a 3.5mm audio cable, and a female 3.5mm to dual male RCA cable. The build quality of the Nulaxy BR18 is pretty decent. It's made of a very durable plastic that doesn't feel cheaply made. It's very lightweight and compact, so it won't be too bulky in your pocket if you use it with a pair of wired earphones. On the front of the BR18 is an indicator light and a multifunction button that is used for pairing and powering on the device, as well as playing and pausing music. At the top is a micro USB port for charging the device, and an aux port. On the side of the transceiver is a slider to switch between transmitter mode and receiver mode. The Nulaxy BR18 has a 1050 mAh built-in battery that gets you a pretty impressive 38 hours of transmitting and 30 hours of receiving. It also has a pretty good range of up to 15 meters. Getting set up is pretty straightforward. To use the BR18 as a transmitter, simply connect it to your computer, your TV, or any non-Bluetooth media device using the included 3.5mm audio cable. Make sure the transceiver is in TX mode or transmitter mode. Turn on the Nulaxy BR18 transceiver and it will automatically pair to your Bluetooth speaker or your favorite pair of Bluetooth headphones. To use it as a receiver, plug in your wired earphones or a wired speaker. Switch the BR18 transceiver to RX mode or receiver mode. Turn the transceiver on, and you're good to pair it to your smartphone. Depending on the device you're connecting to, you may have to use the included female 3.5mm to dual male RCA cable as well. Once connected, I didn't experience any connection issues, but there were some random issues with latency while watching videos. The latency issues were very minimal, maybe a few milliseconds at most, and you really have to pay attention to notice it. I also found that the latency issues were only present depending on which Bluetooth device it was paired to. I had the BR18 transceiver plugged into the back of my computer in TX mode and had no issues at all. But when it was plugged into my TV in TX mode, the audio was slightly out of sync. And the same happened when it was plugged into my speakers in RX mode, playing video from my phone. Overall, the Nulaxy BR18 transceiver works fantastic for listening to music. But with the random latency issues while watching videos, it kind of makes it a bit of a hit or miss. But what do you think of the Nulaxy BR18 transceiver? Let me know in the comments below. If you did go on to enjoy this video, or it helped you out in any way, feel free to hit that like button, and consider subscribing for more weekly content just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.